My journey continues in rustic land. In the previous episode, you saw how we geared up for Zanskar. In this episode, I will be taking you to snow-covered Shikula Pass, sacred Gonbo Rangjon, and you will see how we narrowly escaped a major accident. Let's get into Zanskar ki Lehar. Good morning everyone. Now it's currently 5 a.m. and it's -1 degree here, and now we are all set to go to Shikula Pass. Anshuk and his fellow drivers had bought brand new cars for this road trip from Jammu. Anshuk is a very religious man. Every morning he used to pray for about an hour in the car. It was a sunrise moment. Gently, the rays were falling on top of the mountain, turning the tip as if it was made of gold. We were supposed to cross the Dracha checkpost before 6 a.m. We completed formalities at the Dracha checkpost. The right turn was taken to Leh. We took straight towards Zanskar Valley, one of the last strongholds of Tibetan Buddhism. The road was empty. We were the only travelers at this time. We had a pit stop an hour before Shikula. The team energy was high.
Shikula Pass अभी कुछ 27 kilometers. बस 15-20 मिनट. नहीं आधा घंटा तो लगेगा. हाँ लगेगा. इतना लगेगा, ठीक है. ठंड लग रहा है. थोड़ा हरकत करो, ऐसे हरकत करो. हरकत करो, हरकत.
मारोगे?
हाँ, हरकत करो, हाथ ऐसे मारो, हरकत करो ऐसे कैसे, ऐसे, हाँ, गर्म हो जाएगा, खून गर्म हो जाएगा, शरीर गर्म हो जाएगा.
So we left the camp at 5:30, and we had to actually pass the checkpost by 6, and luckily we did. So now we are on our way to Shikula Pass.
As we approached the pass, we had to travel on an icy road. Our drivers had not taken the tire chain. They had a tough time in maneuvering the vehicle. It was a struggle for tires to break the ice and move ahead. We had to make many stops. Even drones refused to fly.
So while we were going to the Shikula Pass, we met with an incident where we were supposed to drive on ice and we skid and went back, and we were almost stuck for 20 to 30 minutes. And then the drivers came, and with all the manpower,
We finally got past the whole thing and now we are here. So yeah,
it was a very scary
took a lot
experience.
of manpower and
Very
willpower
scary and
too.
thrilling experience.
Yes.
After many struggles, we started moving towards the most beautiful path I had seen. Our vehicle had to pass through ice walls for kilometers. It was a beautiful sight. I was in Shikula Pass. The whole terrain is filled with ice. I tried to describe this land, but nothing had prepared me for this. No books, no teachers, not even documentaries. The descent from Shikula was a tough, muddy and narrow road. We had to struggle to pass through it.
पत्थर नहीं लगेगा, पत्थर देखो आपके 4-5 गाड़ी किया ना, इधर से नहीं निकलेगा, ये फंस जाएगा या कहाँ निकलेगा जो खाली गाड़ी.
In many places, there was no road. It was a scary drive. The moment I saw a JCB, I knew I had crossed this dreaded road, but never realized I was in the footsteps of the holy mountain. I realized this only after some time. Gonbo Rangjon is a holy mountain for Buddhists. The standalone peak is about 5,200 meter plus. It was an isolated path. I took a stroll watching the mighty peak. I wish I could freeze this moment and live in it forever. I left this place with a heavy heart. continuous chotins and money walls line the valley towards Purne. We were supposed to reach Purne and take a trek to Phuktal Monastery. Till a few years back, this area was isolated from the world. And the new road from Manali to Leh via Padum has opened up these isolated patches to the world. Luck was on our side.
ಈ ಕಲ್ಲು ಹೊಡಿತು ಹೊಡೆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಟೈರ್ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಟೈರ್ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಲೈಕ್ ಈ ವಾಸ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪಿ ಅಂತೆ ಸಡನ್ ಹಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಅಪ್
Around 2 hours back, one of our vehicle has met with tire burst accident. So we allowed the other 3 vehicles to go to the homestay. We stayed here for 2 hours. Now a Bolero have come. They are picking up us and going. We have given a suggestion to the drivers that they can avail the roadside assistance for the Dracha because it's a brand new vehicle. So the vehicle can be towed to the Dracha service shop. It can be repaired under insurance.
I reached beautiful Purne. I took a walk around my homestay. It felt like I had traveled back 1,000 years. It was so calm and peaceful, and time had almost stopped here.
From Gombo, one of our vehicle's tires burst. Luckily, there were no casualties or anything, so we safely got back. Now we are in Purne village, and this is our homestay. This is where we are staying. And our trek to Phuktal Monastery got postponed to tomorrow due to this, so we will be leaving early in the morning at 6.
I spent my best leisurely evening in this isolated patch of the world. Our drivers were busy arranging a vehicle for the next day in a place where the network was elusive. Join me in the next episode, where I will be taking you to the mystic Phuktal Monastery, which is said to be 1,500 years old.